Hello friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll discuss about a very simple problem, and this is very important problem. So if a number is power of 2 or not. So this is the problem. Suppose you have a number 4. So 4, this number is power of 2 or not? Yes, this number is power of 2 because 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2, which is 4. So this number is power of 2. So suppose you have a number 6. So 6 is the power of 2 or not? So 2 to the power 2 equals to 4, 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. So 6 is not a power of 2. So then 8. So 8 is a power of 2 or not? Yes, 8 is a power of 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. Okay. So this is the power of 2. So now we'll solve this problem. So suppose you have a number x. X equals to 6 and the binary representation of x is 1 1 0. And if we let's remove this from here. So x equals to 6 and its binary representation is 1 1 0. And if you decrease this number by 1, that is x minus 1, and which is 5, and its binary representation 1 0 1. Okay, now we have two numbers 6 and 5. We have to check if this number, if this 6 is power of 2 or not. Okay, so for that what we can do the AND operation between these two numbers, between these 6 and 5. We'll do AND operation between these two numbers, and after doing the AND operation, if the result is null, then it is power of 2. And if after doing AND operation between these 6 and 5 the result is not null, then this is not the power of 2. Okay, so this is the main concept, and you can check this by giving another inputs. That is, if you want to check if for a number suppose 8, then here will be 8 and 7. So 8 and here will be 7. So similarly here will be 8 and here will be 7. Okay, so this is the main concept. Now we'll write the code. Okay, so let's write the code here. So first of all, select the language here, that is C++14, and first of all write the basic format of the C++, that is just include bits / standard C++.h, and then using namespace standard, and first of all write the main function here, that is int main. And in this main function, first write a variable, suppose int x, and take the inputs from the user, that is cin x. Now we'll check the conditions here, that is if x and x minus 1 is equals to null or not. So if x, then give the AND operator here, and x minus 1, that is if x and x minus 1 is equals to null, that is equals to 0. So give your bracket inside this, and if x and x minus 1 equals to null, that is if this is 0, then this is the power of 2, then the x is the power of 2. So here we'll output this, that is cout power of 2. Okay, else we'll output this as cout, and right here not power of 2. Okay, so this is a very simple problem, but the concept is the main thing. So this is the main concept, that if x and x minus 1 is equals to null, then this will be the power of 2, otherwise this will be not the power of 2. Okay, so let's run this code and check. Okay, let's give some input here. Suppose give here 4, and you know 4 is the power of 2, and our output is power of 2. Okay, let's run it again and give some other input like 16. 16 is the power of 2 because 2 to the power 4 is 16, and let's give some other input like 18, and you know 18 is not the power of 2 and our output is not the power of 2. Okay, so this was the very basic problem, and hope you enjoyed this video. And if you find this video helpful, then please like the video and share it with your friends. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.